Hello everyone, today we will discuss the chapter 2 electrostatic potential and capacitance of class 12 physics. In this chapter we will discuss today topic that is electric potential, potential difference, electric potential energy, and first of all the conservative nature of the force. In previous chapter we have discussed that electrostatic force and electric field. Electric field due to a charge experience the force on another test charge. If a test charge q naught come in vicinity of charge q, it experience a force q naught E. And when force will act on the test charge, it's obvious the test charge will be displaced. So a distance t, so amount of work done, that will be W is equal to Ft. Clear to all of you? Next, our first important topic is conservative nature of the force. Electrostatic force has conservative nature. A force which is known as conservative mean that force does work, and work depend only on final and initial position. Note the path followed by object. Clear to all of you? Gravitational force is also example of conservative force, and electrostatic force is also conservative force. It displays the charge position A to B, but work done does not depend on the path followed by A to B. Clear to all of you? Now, suppose to prove the conservative nature of force, we will discuss one basic property of electrostatic field is line integral of electric field intensity between any 2 point A and B, that is A, that is B. Clear? It will depend only on initial and final position, not intermediate path between A to B. Suppose charge for test charge experience force and it is displaced A to B. Let at any point P, when test charge is at P, the distance from Q charge is R, and when it moves from P to Q, it covers distance dr, and O to Q is R dash. Now see carefully. OPQ is a triangle, and from triangle of vector addition, if two vectors are acting as in same order, then third vector will be closing side of triangle in opposite order. So vector R and dr are in same order and R dash in opposite order. So when charge is displaced from P to Q, when charge is displaced from P to Q, then amount of work done is F dot dr. Clear to all of you? And total work done when charge is moved from A to B, we have to integrate, that is A to B limit Q naught E dot dr. What is value of E? Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square into R cap. We will multiply this term by R and divide it by R. So R into R cap will become vector R dot dr. So work done will be A to B Q naught Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube into R dot dr. Clear to all of you? Now, as already I told you that triangle OPQ is right angle triangle and R plus dr is equal to R dash. So when we will take square, that will become R plus dr whole square is equal to R dash square. So when we will open this, it will become R square plus dr square plus 2R dot dr is equal to R dash square. I already told you in previous class that square of vector is equal to square of its magnitude. So square of vector R is equal to square of magnitude, that is R square. Here dr is already very small. When we will take the square of dr, then it will become dr square, that is negligible, is equal to 0. So R square will plus 2R dot dr is equal to R dash square. What is value of R dot dr? It will come R dot dr is equal to R dash square minus R square upon 2, and R dash square minus R square, you can write it R dash plus R into R dash minus R. Clear to all of you? R dash and R are nearly same, so instead of R dash plus R, we will write 2R. So R dot dr will become R into R dash minus R. Work done will be limit A to B Q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught R cube into r dash minus r and r cube will be cancelled out. So work done will occur, that is limit a to b q naught 4 pi epsilon naught r square into r dash minus r. Now I already told you r and r dash is nearly same, so r square will also be equal to r into r dash, and you will put, instead of r square you will put r into r dash. This is r square, you will r square, and you will write r into r dash. And finally what you will get, work done limit a to b q naught 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 upon r minus 1 upon r dash. Clear to all of you? Next topic is, then total work done will be limit a to b q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon r minus r dash. So basically initial position was at a, so instead of r here will be ra, and final position at b not instead of q dash in q, so it will be rb. So here work done is equal to q into 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon ra minus 1 upon rb. So here we are seeing that work done due to electric field depend only on initial and final position of test charge. That's why electrostatic force is known as conservative force. Now next topic is electric potential. Negative work done to bring a unit positive test charge from infinity to given point in electric field is called electric potential at that point. Clear to all of you? If a charge is moving in direction of electric field, then work done will be positive because that work done due to electric field. If we move the charge in opposite direction of electric field, then the work done is stored in form of electric potential. Now suppose a charge is displaced from infinity to b at its finest position, then work potential will be minus integration limit infinity to b q naught e dot dr. Why we are taking minus sign? Because we are doing work against the direction of electric field. So when we will put the value, minus electrostatic potential will be minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught, Ra is equal to infinite and Rb is equal to R. So electrostatic potential will be q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. And when object is at finite distance at A and it is displaced to B in opposite direction of electric field, then amount of work done is known as potential difference, and its value will be minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught into 1 upon Ra minus 1 upon Rb. So what will be final potential difference? Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon Rb minus 1 upon Ra. Clear to all of you? Now next topic is electric potential energy. Negative work done to move a charge against electric field stored as electric potential energy. Suppose a test charge q naught, we have to move or bring that charge q naught to p in electric field of test charge q, but in opposite direction of electric field. So we have to find work done. So before finding total work done, we will take a small distance. Suppose the test charge is moved from x to y. So small amount of work done is dw is equal to minus f dot dr. What will be total work done? We have to integrate it. That is minus integration f dot dr. And we will put the value of f, that is k q naught upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Sorry, k q naught upon r squared into r cap dot dr, where k is dielectric constant whose value is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. So dr is also in direction of r, so it will become dr into r cap. So value will become work done integration, that is minus k q naught minus k q naught upon r square into dr into r cap dot r cap, and integration limit is infinity to r. So minus k q naught is constant and integration limit will be minus infinity to r and dr upon r square. Then we have to use the formula, that is integration of x raised to power n dx is equal to x raised to power n upon n plus 1. So here a power of r is minus 2. So what will be work done? Minus k q naught and integration limit infinity to r and minus r raised to power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. So what will be total work done when you will put these values? It will be W is equal to K Q naught r raised to power minus 1 limits infinity to r, and total work done is K Q naught upon r. Thank you very much. I hope you are able to understand. If any queries, then you can contact me. Thank you.